afternoon, boomers. The voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in, guys. The bits are warming up out there. We're seeing a little baby bull run. I told you guys perhaps we will be seeing 9K. And indeed, things are looking sexy out there in the markets. Today we'll be talking about the bits, reasons why it could be booming so quickly over 9K. And we'll talk about if there's going to be a reversal. We're going to see a little dip at some point, and how low will it go? You know, when things surge, we're looking for what the next support level will be. We'll also talk about Cardano and the rest of the crypto news that's booming right now. It's looking sexy out there as the boomers tune in. Daz, Mr. Willem, Beans and Rice, Batman, the rest of the boomers tuning in. Guys, touch the button for me, to like, to subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Stay tuned in to the good crypto word. Button it up, guys. Touch all the buttons. Stay sprucey here for this Bitcoin warm up, this baby bull run. This may turn into an adolescent bull run if we can cross 10K. I'll tell you that much. I'm already queuing up the funk music, and we're warming up, getting ready for a pep rally if we can sustain over 10K. Shout out to Jaron Boom, creator of Litecoin, and Tron meet with Warren Buffett. Big things. I didn't know that Charlie Lee was going to go along with Justin Sun over there to meet Buffett. But that's interesting. Good marketing on Sun's behalf. I'll tell you that much. It's a good marketing ploy. Shout out to Daz. He says Facebook's Libra coin will run on RippleNet. Kaboom. It certainly seems like Facebook is going to give Ripple a little run for their money. You know, I want nothing to do with Ripple, Facebook, Global Coin, guys. I don't want nothing to do with that garbage bags. I'm here with the bits for the long snipe. Shout out to my snipers out there. Boom to that. Shout out to Beans and Rice, Batman, and the rest of the pumpers. Guys, let's check out today's math. I'll give it a few seconds for a couple more boomers to tune in here to the broadcast. We'll check out today's math, see how healthy the markets are looking. We'll talk about if there's going to be a trend reversal and what the support levels will be or could be. We'll also speak about reasons why it boomed so quickly. And then we'll talk about Cardano, amongst other things. 10-year bull run, says Jaron. Hopefully. I'll tell you. I was speaking to someone. Who was it? I'm kind of going blank, but I was stating my opinion that, you know, in the next 5 years or so, I don't think that any asset class is going to outperform Bitcoin or cryptocurrency for that matter. Let's see. Hopefully I'm right. I mean, I could be wrong, but, you know, definitely looking like things are about to be on fire right now. Miss Archie says, Lost, I need a crypto boo to boom with. There you go. You know, I told you I got someone for you. I mean, I have to line up the bachelors, but all the boomers out there, Archie's looking for one out there. So follow her. I'm not sure if you're releasing videos, but welcome to the box, all our crypto chicks worldwide. Let's check out today's math. Let me turn off these coins, show you my screen. There we go. And there we go. Bitcoin at 92.73. 92.73, up 2% in the past 24 hours, almost 3%. We got a market cap at 287 billion, Bitcoin dominance at 57.3, Ether at $273. Ripple's trash. Litecoin is actually staying behind. Actually, I would expect Litecoin to have gained a little bit more weight. I mean, it's looking healthy, sitting at 133, but it seems like everybody's running on over to Bitcoin. The dominance has grown. I can expect this dominance to continue growing if Bitcoin performs the way it's performing. We have Bitcoin Cash now at 430. Although Litecoin is not performing as strong as some of the other coins, it still has surpassed Bitcoin Cash on the top 10. And its market cap is right now about $500 million, slightly over $500 million, about 700,000 difference between Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. So that's what's going on out there. You got EOS at $7.08. Shout out to EOS. You know, I told you guys, I mean, I'm not behind this voice thing, this voice social media blockchain. I'm going to encourage all you boomers to head on over to STEEM, a decentralized social media network where you can earn for posting, for liking, for commenting, for sharing. One of my favorite blockchains. I'll tell you that much. The one I use the most, and I'm encouraging everybody to follow me there and kaboom it. EOS is definitely looking good. And, you know, I was thinking about it the other day. If Voice comes out, okay, and they do their thing, they're going to do KYC, you're going to have to show them your blood DNA and whatnot. It's not like, I'm assuming it's going to be open source software, so it's not like someone can't take that and make their own blockchain on EOS. So, you know, something to consider. Now we're seeing these sister chains pop up on EOS. You've seen some of that on Steam as well. So look out for that. Look out for that. And I'm excited about social media on the blockchain because it brings the community together. And if you haven't been following what the developments are going on with Steam, I encourage you guys to do so. I think it's a trailblazer, guys. Whether the price is up or down, I think it's a trailblazer, and it's a great example of the types of things you could do with crypto that are outside of just peer-to-peer electronic cash. This is community building to the next level. Binance, they're at 33 bucks. Satoshi Vision is up. My understanding is, I don't even want to talk about this guy. I've already read the headlines when it comes to who's running SV, but I don't even want to mention this dude's name anymore. He's garbage. So I'll skip that. Stellar, they're at 12 cents. Cardano at 9 cents. We'll talk about Cardano. They're inking a deal with a government out there, it seems. We'll talk about that. Tron at 3 cents. Monero at $98. Dash at 159. You got Cosmos moving up. Now, Cosmos, according to some of our boomer brothers, including Marlon Jones, it's brought to our attention that Cosmo could be an alternative to Cardano that's actually working. So, I'll keep focus on that. Keep focus on Cosmos, and then you got IOTA at 43 cents as the boomers tune in. I see Bozak, I see Archie, I see Dolphin 134, I see Beans and Rice fluctuating. Kaboom, we drop bombs for all you maniacs. Boom, boom, boom. All the boomers are here. Archie says Litecoin should hit 500 to 1,000 this go around. Ugh. I'm not sure. I think it's going to come shy of its all-time high, which was about 330, 350. But right now, I'm looking for 200. I don't know if it's going to go to 5 or 1,000. We've talked about possible halving scenarios these past weeks. And, I could see Litecoin going to those prices eventually, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen this round. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm wrong. I'm still bullish on the lights out there, Archie. I'm a crypto boomer. Let there be light. Let the light shine on the crypto valley. Indeed, let me drop a bomb. Johnson says it should reach 300. I think it's going to be shy of 300. I think it's going to be a little over 200 or somewhere in the 200 range. I'm a little more conservative nowadays, I'll be honest, but hopefully you guys are right because, I'm holding the bag. So, let's go. Captain Ron says Cosmos Atom to the moon. Yeah, we just talked about that. It's looking good, up almost 9%. And apparently that's the alternative to Cardano for those that are, looking for that. I'm not, haven't verified that, so I don't know if that's true or not. But that's what the boomers have been telling me. Nepes here says, I like voice even though I might not use it. If it brings new people to EOS and causes the price to raise, I'm happy. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's going to be people that use it. I mean, the thing is that, there's not much nothing much crypto about giving out all your personal information. That's not too cryptographic, if you ask me. So, it may be blockchain, it's not crypto though. It's not crypto, guys. Stay cryptic out there, boomers. But I'll agree. Let them do what they're going to do. If people want to use it, that's they're totally, free to do so. I'm not interested. I mean, I'll tell you this much. I signed up with the mailing list and I hope that they let me through the gates without having to show, my blood DNA. But if not, I'll be booming on Steam regardless. And it seems like Voice is trying to do everything that Steam already has. Last week, we talked plenty about the Steam blockchain, the new developments. We did a chat with one of the block producers, one of the witnesses. I encourage you guys to check that out. We talked about Steam engines, PalNet, and all the other parallel and sister blockchains that are popping up. New means of creating tokens on top of Steam. Guys, if you're not on Steam, guys, go ahead and drop a comment. I promised everyone last week, if they dropped a comment on my Steam post last week, I sent you a token. I know a lot of people got tokens out there. I may have to run the promo this week as well. Matter of fact, on today for Crypto Maniac Monday, if you drop a comment on this post, okay, don't go to last week's post, on this post. I'm going to put this up as soon as I finish this broadcast. I'm going to post this to the Steam blockchain. And if you go ahead and go over there, drop a comment, I'll send you a token. Okay, right now it's about 40 cents. So, it's just a gratuity. It's, at one point Steam was like $7. So, head over there. I'll give you an upvote and I'll show you, I'll send you a Steam token. There you go. Champ, can you shout out Darcel? Trying to make my wifey laugh. Shout out to Darcel. Drop a bomb for her out there. Shout out to Captain James and Darcel. Shout out to Mr. Bozak. He says $25 jealous. And Archie says, well, I listened to Charlie. I bought at $25, so I'm up all green profits. There you go. Congratulations, Archie. Caught it at the bottom out there. Excellent. Excellent. Archie making moves out there. Shout out to my crypto chicks. There's a few of them in the trenches. They don't get any preferred treatment, but they're out there sniping with the best of them, ready to slit a throat. I see you guys. I bought what I could, all 6 of them. There you go. But right now, it's 6 times 133. So you're up, and it may go to 200. So it may be a little chunky profit for you. Johnson says Satoshi's biggest crypto cousin. Shout out to Johnson. KMB says big baller. I see all you guys. Let's talk about some of the reasons why Bitcoin is rallying according to CoinDesk. 3 reasons Bitcoin is rallying above 9K. Bitcoin rose above 9,000 over the weekend. And, you know, we called this. It was pretty much going to happen. I mean, I don't think that, you know, anybody's a savant here that called this over this move that it was going to make over the weekend. But indeed it did. It went over 9K. It's at, you know, about almost 93 right now. Last seen trading at 9,200 when they wrote this article. And they list some reasons here. First, the Facebook to launch global coin. And we know this has been a talk. Now, I don't know how exciting or how excited actual investors are about this, but it seems like media likes this. Okay, crypto media likes this. And I want nothing to do with this, but I do understand that there's a possibility that this could drive a lot of capital into the crypto space. This global coin, this Libra project that they're working on over there at Facebook. And, you know, I don't know what coins it's going to trade against, but I assume it's going to trade against Bitcoin amongst other fiats. So, you know, this may be causing a little bit of the pump. Binance barring U.S. customers. We talked about this last week on September. Binance is going to shut their doors to U.S. customers. And then soon thereafter, they're supposed to open a new compliant exchange in the U.S. But this may shut people out of these altcoins. So some are saying that people are dumping their Binance and some of those altcoins back into Bitcoin so they don't have to deal on Binance anymore. Just basically, you know, cashing out to Bitcoin, cash out to Bitcoin, boom, boom, boom. And that may be causing the drive. Again, we don't know. These are speculations here. Number 3, Litecoin approaches halving event. And we've been talking about this for months on end now. Litecoin, August 5th, excuse me. Halvings, they typically result in an overall boost in value of crypto markets. And we've talked about, you know, what's happened historically. So let's see. 49 days to that halving occurrence that is going to happen on the 5th. So that's what's going on. So these are some of the reasons. And I think it's just due for a pump, guys. I think it's due for a pump. It traded sideways for a while. It seems like almost for a year there between 3 and 5 when it comes to the bids. So, you know, I'm still sticking to my price predictions that I made months back when we were in the 3 or 4K range. I'll expect us to hit 10K or come somewhere close. It could be plus or minus, I don't know, $500. You know, we can go as high as maybe 10, 10.5, maybe even 11. Okay. We're already at 92, or we may fall short of 10. So somewhere around there on that 10K range, I think there's going to be a pullback